Here's today's jungle trivia questions. 1. What is the correct response when confronted by a crazed charging elephant? And 2. How many gorillas does it take to destroy a base camp? Stay tuned.
I saw that last boat come around the corner about 10 minutes ago. Is my skipper lost?
We are on a boat. Wave goodbye to everybody on the dock. Hope to see you in 4 weeks. Just kidding. You'll never see them again. Now, please remain seated with your hands, arms, elbows, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please watch your children. Welcome aboard the World Famous Jungle Cruise. We just entered the rainforest. It's actually a mist forest, in case you missed it. Yeah. Alright, Tramp, keep on the back. Can you slide down that way? Everybody in the back, slide down that way towards Indiana Jones. Yeah, keep sliding. Follow the leader. Everybody follow the leader. Follow the leader. Yeah, alright. Alright, now remain seated because only a crazy person stands on a moving boat. Oh my, what you're looking at, that's a tiger. Tigers are known to jump over 25 feet. But don't worry, we're only 15 feet away. He'll jump right over us. Oh, that crocodile in the water? Yeah, that's Ginger. Ginger's snappy. Alright, now, welcome to the sacred Indian elephant bathing pool. Wow, go ahead and take pictures. They all have their trunks on. Balance straight ahead. Yeah, that's right. Bertha has been in the shower way too long. She's all wrinkly. Bye, Bertha. See you later. Alright, now I am going to take this time to point out my favorite plants. Whoa, what is that? That looks dangerous. Let's get closer. Well, looks like there's some monkey business going on here. Oh, how cute! A gorilla with a gun. Wait, gorilla with a gun? Oh, don't tell me now. Let's get out of here. We gotta make like a banana and split. Now, up ahead, we have the beautiful Schweitzer Falls, named after Dr. Albert Falls. We'll go over that later. Alright, now we have just turned down the Nile River of Africa. If you don't believe me, then you're in denial. Oh, here we have the second most creature in the jungle, the African elephant. And over here we have the most feared creature in the jungle, his mother-in-law. And now, welcome to the African belt. Wow, amazing. Oh, that is so sweet. Those lions are protecting that sleeping zebra. He must be dead. Tired. Dead tired. Yeah. Oh, look! There's a lot so far I've been looking for. You know, I bet they're having quite an amazing experience. I wouldn't want to be the guy at the bottom. Alright, now everybody take a look over to your left-hand side. We have nothing! Oh, we're now entering the hippo pool. I was told And when the hippos wiggle the ears, that means they're expressing affection. Or was it aggression? Oh, they're about to charge. Everybody cover your ears. I'm gonna scare them off with this gun. Cover your ears. Cover your ears. Did it work? Look, it worked. Wow. Let's get out of here. Wow. That was fun. And you know, speaking of fun, my last crew had fun. Hey, look! It's my last crew! They were very good at making sculptures. Oh, these locals. They're celebrating something. Let me see if I can translate. No. Uh-oh. Quick, everybody get down! The locals! They're attacking us! That was a close one. We're now coming up to the best part of the tour. The eighth wonder of the world. The backside of water. Yeah! O2H. 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 You get it right? Yes. Backside of water. Some of it don't get it. Never mind. Anyways, I want to take this time to... Oh, these waters, they're filled with man-eating piranhas! But don't worry, women and children. You're safe. They're only man-eating. And see this snake right over here? You wouldn't want to be wrapped up in that relationship. It's very constricting. And over here, we have Trader Sam. Trader Sam is the head salesman. Next to him is Ellie the elephant. Adorable. We're now coming up to the most dangerous part of our journey. The return to civilization. Yeah, we survived. Whoa, yeah, whoa. As we approach the dock, make sure to keep your hands, arms, elbows, feet, and legs inside the boat. If you get your hand caught between the boat and the dock, that would really, really hurt. My boat.